This is what I call falling exhausted into bed. Hi guys, how are you? Well, yes, the day is about to end and my best friends Nelly and I are going to sleep, but not before playing a bit with what we love the most, learning English. Hey, look! There are other rooms, but whose are they? I know them. They are my schoolmates. She is Marta and they are Lucas and Samantha. They are twins. Let's see, what are you all doing here? Hey, this is my journal. Are they yours? Yes, they are. Oh, and what are our diaries doing here? Look, they are lighting up and seem to be shaking. Let's take a look. They're revealing words. Let's read together. At what time do you wake up? Do I have to answer? Okay, something else appears. She wakes up at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. She wakes up at 7:30. Okay, so it's about Marta, right? Who is a girl and is alone. Yes, great. Okay, I think I like this game. Let's see. Now, more words coming out. They wake up at 10 past 8 in the morning. Okay, if it's they, it's them both, right? When there are more than one person, we use the pronoun they. Great, there you go. Okay, it's for them. And the last one, we wake up at 8 o'clock a.m. in the morning. Yes, it's us, right, Nelly? We both wake up at the same time. So we use the pronoun we. Great. And check up now the colors of the journals. They're changing. I guess they show us another question, maybe? Here it goes. How do you go to school? Okay. How we all go to school? Oh, is everything okay? The journals are not revealing words. Yes, now they are. Great. Okay, here's the first answer. We go to school by feet. That is us. Yes, Nelly, we go to school by feet. Great. It starts with we, so this sentence is ours. Great. They go to school by subway. Really, them? Samantha and Lucas go by subway to school? I didn't imagine that. Okay, for them. And the last sentence. Let me guess. This is about Marta. So, maybe she goes by car? Oh no, she goes by bike with her grandpa. How cute! I love biking, and even better with my grandpa. I really like playing this game, and these journals are too cool to not play with them again.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, are you ready? Today we're working with this beautiful worksheet and this is all about basic questions. Alright, look, find the following words in the sentences below. We need to circle them with the same colors that they're written and answer the questions. So, okay, here we have what in a beautiful yellow color. If you want, you can paint it. You can paint it like this, W, H, A, and T. And now we need to find this word somewhere here. Where can you see the word what? 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 Yes. Oh, here. What? At what time do you wake up? Okay. And how do you go to school? We don't have what. And what is your dad's name? So we make a circle and we trace it over. Okay? So now with maybe I'm going to go for this beautiful blue pen. I'm going to answer. At what time do you wake up? I wake up. I wake up. UFP at 9 o'clock. Okay, this is my answer. I wake up at 9 o'clock. Great. And if you want, you can paint the beautiful clock like this. Okay, and as we did the yellow, going to do the yellow a little bit here and there and just in the middle. Great. And then what is your dad's name? My dad's name is Lucas. This is my dad. So you can use another color. For example, this time the red crayon to paint the t-shirt like I'm doing. All right, well done. Then let's go for the second word, how. Not what, but how. How are you? Or how old are you? We painted in blue. And where is how? Oh, how do you go to school? How? It's here. It's just here. Make a circle. I go by bike. I go by bike. So that is what I'm going to do. I go by bike. Well done. And this time, I'm going to take the pink crayon, and I'm going to paint all over the wheels like this. Well done. And then I'm going to do like this. Great. Super. Nice. And then finally, where? So the where, let me just go for green color, W-H-E-R-E, where. And where is where? Where do you like to play at the park? Where? Okay, where is here? So where do you like to play at the park? I like to play at the slide, okay? So I like to play on the slide. On the slide. This is a slide, all right? And let me just now take, maybe the brown color, the crayon one. And let's go and paint it just like this. Well done. Great. Super. I love it. But wait, what happens with these two words? What time? It's true, we have them here, right? What is the PW question form we use? But if we have time, it's in here. So what you can do is to paint it in purple. What time? What time? And you just line it up here. Okay? Well done, guys.